Hello CA Inter students. In this video, I am going to explain about direct taxation amendments for January 2026 attempt. Okay, see for January 26 attempt, Finance Act 2024 is applicable. No change in Finance Act. So you can feel happy whatever the Finance Act applicable for May 25, September 25 is there. Same Finance Act is applicable for January 26 attempt. Additionally, two amendments are there. First amendment is relating to section 54 EC. You all know section 54 EC. Whenever immovable property is sold, you will get capital gains. If those capital gains are reinvested in NHAI bonds, RECL bonds, Power Finance Corporation bonds, Indian Railway Finance Corporation bonds, then exemption is available under section 54 EC. Recently, HUDCO bonds are also added in this list with effect from 7th April 2025. That means whenever you sell immovable property, whatever the capital gains that you receive, if those capital gains are reinvested in HUDCO bonds, Housing Development Corporation bonds, even that investment amount is eligible for exemption. You all know under section 54 EC, exemption is equal to gross capital gain or reinvestment or 50 lakhs, whichever is lower. So from 7th April 2025 onwards, you can do reinvestment in HUDCO bonds. Still, that amount is eligible for exemption under section 54 EC. Okay. Next, second amendment. Second amendment is notified date for intimation of Aadhaar number by person who has been allotted PAN before 1st October 24 on the basis of Aadhaar enrollment ID. Sir, what is this amendment? See, 1st July 2017, you have to remember this date. After 1st July 2017, if you want PAN number, then you have to give Aadhaar number. Only if you give Aadhaar number, then only PAN number will be given to you. Are you able to understand? If you do not give Aadhaar number, then PAN number will not be given to you. So, if you are applying for PAN number, in the application you have to give Aadhaar number, then only PAN will be allotted to you. If Aadhaar number is not there, then you have to apply for Aadhaar number. When you apply for Aadhaar number, in application of Aadhaar number, there will be enrollment ID. Enrollment ID in application of Aadhaar number. Even if you give that enrollment ID, sufficient PAN will be allotted to you. So you do not have Aadhaar number. You applied for Aadhaar number. Enrollment ID is there when you apply for Aadhaar number. Even if you give that enrollment ID, PAN will be allotted to you. Now the point is 1st October 2024. Okay. So till 1st October 2024, whoever has given enrollment ID in application of Aadhaar number. Now they have to, after enrollment ID, when they apply for Aadhaar number will be allotted to them. Correct? So those who have given enrollment ID, they have to give their Aadhaar number. Aadhaar number. And what is time limit for submitting Aadhaar number? Time limit for submitting Aadhaar number is 31st December 2025. So, before 1st October 24, who has given enrollment ID of Aadhaar application while submitting for PAN number? All of them, they did not give Aadhaar number. They have given only enrollment ID. Now, those who have given enrollment ID in PAN application before 1st October 24, they are required to submit their Aadhaar number before 31st December 2025. That is the provision. So, Amendment 1, reinvestment in HUDCO bonds eligible for exemption under 54 EC. Amendment number 2, those who have given enrollment ID in PAN application before 1st October 24, they are required to submit their Aadhaar number before 31st December 25. These are the two amendments. That's it. Thank you very much. All booster lectures are available in my YouTube channel. Use them. Prepare for January 26. I wish you all the very best. Bye.